Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a single video. Wig cap. Love the color of this hair. This is what the hairline is looking like. The parting space looks nice. Comes pre-plucked, of course. No smells. It's super soft. No snags so far. You get one strand out of this wig.
Taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. And you back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside. Motivation. I found me a new foundation. Yeah. Singing my new salvation.
I'm telling crazy right now.
I look at this so deep in your eyes. I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling and my pride is the one to blame. Cause I know I don't understand just how your love can do what no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love.
So crazy right now. And the ROC, OG, big homie, the one and only. Stick bony, but the pockets are fat like Tony. Soprano, the rock handle like Van Exel. I shake phonies, man, you can't get next to. The genuine article, I do not sing though. I sling though, if anything, I blink yo. Star like Ringo, more like a green Corvette. You crazy, bring your whole set. Crazy in the range, crazy in the range. They can't figure him out, they like, hey, is he insane? Yes sir, I'm cut from a different cloth. My texture is the best firm chinchilla. I've been ill to the chain smokers. How you think I got the name Hov? I've been realer, the game's over. Fall back young, ever since I made the change over to platinum. The game's been a rap one.
Got me looking so crazy, my baby. I'm not